Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Hustle. This is the chapter 3 of how to crochet for absolute beginner. In this video, I'll show you how to double crochet, how to half double crochet and how to triple crochet. I'm sure that you are now comfortable at holding your hook and yarn and you can do your chain stitch and single crochets. So let's start making the double crochet. You should remember that a double crochet is equivalent to 3 chains. So I'll make 3 chains. If you are making a foundation chain, then you have to make 3 extra chain after your required chain. So as you can see, our stitches of single crochets. In the first stitch, I'll put my hook in this gap like the previous video. Now to make a double crochet, first wrap your yarn on your hook, then with your index finger hold your yarn like this. Then put your hook in the stitch, wrap your yarn and pull out your hook like this. Now there is 3 stitches on your hook. Don't pull it too hard, just like this, pull it like this. Then wrap your yarn on your hook, pull through the first 2 stitches like this. Then you will have 2 stitches, then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 stitches. Again yarn over. In the next stitch put your hook, yarn over, pull through. There will be 3 stitches in your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 stitches. Now I'll show you with the wrapping technique. I wrap my yarn on my index finger and do the double crochet. For beginner, this hold is very easy. For my case, it was relaxing and very easy. You start holding your yarn like this, then you can see the wrapping is finished. Then sometimes you forget to wrap your yarn and you'll just go like this. I do personally. Now don't forget to do double crochet in the chain 3 that we have made previously. If you miss this, then your work will be uneven like this. This is how the double crochet will look from behind. Now I will do half double crochet, and a half double crochet stitch is equivalent to 2 chain. So I will do 2 chains like this. Turn my work. Now wrap my yarn, put my hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull out the hook. There will be 3 stitches. For half double crochet, I will yarn over and pull through the all 3 stitches like this. Again yarn over, put your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 stitches. Half double crochet is a little bit longer than the single crochet and smaller than the double crochet. Yarn over, put your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 stitches. This is how you do half double crochets. Never forget to do the last uh, chain 3 stitches if you are working in rows. This is single crochet, this is double crochet, and this is the half double crochet. Now I will show you how to do triple crochet. This is the longest stitch. For triple crochet you will do 4 chains, 2, 3 and 4. Then turn my work like this. Now for triple crochet I will wrap my yarn 2 times like this. Hold your yarns with your index finger, put your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull out your hook. There will be 4 stitches. Now first yarn over, pull through the first 2 stitches. There will be 3. Then yarn over, pull through next 2 stitches like this. Again yarn over, pull through remaining 2 stitches. Wrap your yarn 2 times on your hook. Put your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through first 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through next 2 stitches, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 stitches. As you can see, the triple crochet is longer than the other 3 and it is a bit loose, and you can see there are gaps. For triple crochet you can see these gaps, and it's very loose, not compact. Yarn over 2 times for triple crochet and do 2 stitches at a time. So this is the basic stitches of crocheting. Oops, sorry for the lighting. So this is the basic 4 stitches of crocheting, and practice it very well. This is how the stitches will look. So keep practicing, and goodbye and good luck.